Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute squid. You'll need something to draw with. Let's get started! So let's begin by making the squid's body. We're going to start on the top of the page up here and we're going to make our way diagonally down, kind of like a roller coaster. Going on, down, down, down. I'm going to curve it in a little bit and then curve it up. Next, we're going to make one of the squid's tentacles. There we go. We're going to go curving it there. And then make another one by going a little bit more in. So we're going to go from there and make our way down. Next, we're going to make another line inward there and connecting another line. Now we're going to be going from left to right. There we go. And then just another curved line again, going from left to right. Whoop. And then make another line going from 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to close this up right here. And next we're going to make another diagonal line going sideways. And here we go. Awesome. Let's make another line going sideways again, but this is going to get like a C shape. There we go, going up. I'm going to go a little bit higher now. Curving outward and then making our way diagonally up. I'm going to just fix my line really quick. Okay. And we're going to make the top of the squid's head, so we're going to make a diagonal line going out from the top right here. Then we'll make a curved line making a way around to the other side. So I'm going to go up, around. See how I get close to that line? And then we'll make another curved line going like a U. There we go. And that's it. Our squid's body is done. Let's get some cool face features on this cute little squid. So we're going to make a W shape going right there. One. Or an N shape, whatever, 2 N shapes. And there you go. So we have our weird looking upside down W. And make a circle here just so it has some features. And let's start making those eyes. So I'm going to make a big oval shape right here underneath my cool archway. 1. Making a circle here. Making another oval shape. And making a tiny one right inside. That's it! Our squid is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Can't wait to see what your outcome is. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.